Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Ollama to Claude Code. We will get the local connection running step by step, giving you a fully self-hosted AI development environment. First, you need to have Claude Code installed on your system. If you haven't done that yet, I already have a full video on how to install it, so be sure to check that out. Let's verify our step. If we open our command prompt and type Claude, you can see the interface pops up, meaning it's installed and ready to go. I will go ahead and select dark mode for my theme. You will notice three login options: a Claude account with a subscription, an Anthropic console account, or a third party platform. We are actually going to skip this step entirely because we will be routing it through Ollama. Open your browser and go to the official website, that is ollama.com. From there, select your platform. I will go with Windows and click on download. Once the download starts, wait for the installer to finish. After downloading, open the .exe file. This will launch the Ollama installation interface. Click on install and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's done, Ollama will open and you will see its interface with different models available for download. You can also verify the installation from the terminal by typing Ollama. Next, let's open VS Code. I'll create and open a new folder and name it Claude. Head over to the Extensions tab and search for Claude Code. Look for the Claude Code for VS Code extension. And hit install. Once it's successfully installed, you will see the Claude icon appear in your sidebar. If you click on it to open the window, you will notice that the default login options only show Claude AI subscriptions, Anthropic console, and Amazon Bedrock. There is no direct button for Ollama here, but don't worry, here is how we configure it. Let's head over to the official Ollama website and click on models. For this tutorial, we are going to use the Claude model. So search for Minimax M2.5. On the model page, you will see a specific command to launch Claude Code with this Ollama model. Go ahead and copy that command. Since this is a cloud model, it will be super lightweight and won't require heavy local hardware. Now let's jump back to our VS Code. Go to the terminal, paste the command we just copied from the Ollama website and hit enter. As you can see, the Minimax M2.5 model is now set as our active model, meaning Claude Code is successfully connected to Ollama. Let's test it out. I will give it a simple prompt and ask it to create a basic Node.js setup inside our project folder. As you can see, it's processing the request using our Ollama model. It goes into the thinking mode and then asks permission to create a package.json file. We will hit yes. It asks about index.js. Yes again. We get the success message and the start script is already wired up. You can see both files populate immediately. If we type npm start, we get our hello world in the console. And that wraps up the setup. In this video, we successfully connected Claude Code with Ollama to create a fully self-hosted AI development environment. Thank you guys for watching this video.